My video is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site vuwrxt.com. vuwrxt.com is a dangerous site. It attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to trick people into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help them watch the video. Some versions of these pop-ups may also forward you to some other deceptive sites, and they may also force your browser to be switched into the full screen mode. To get out of the full screen, you simply need to press escape button. But if you have clicked on allow button, that was definitely a mistake. You will start facing these multiple ads in the right part of your screen. Some of them you can see displayed right now, so you should deactivate them. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this vuwrxt, make sure you remove it from the list. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.